Ngaphambi nje kwalomhlangano kunamathemba okukhula kobudlelwane phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neMelika.
I think we have a very good relationship. It's certainly warmed a great deal following President Biden's inauguration as a leader of the United States of America. A few years ago, Africa was described in extremely pejorative terms by the president, former president of this country. But I think since President Biden, there's really been an attempt to reach out to Africa and certainly many positive conversations with our president.
Emva kokuxhumana phakathi kwalamazwe okukhona ukuvakasha kwakamuva ukaNgqongqoshe wezangaphandle Anthony Blinken kunembuzo ke yokuthi ngabe iMelika ezama ukuqomisa iPitoli njengoba ifuna ukudlisela ugageni eRussia neChina okungamazwe nobudlelwano neAfrika.
I think the United States of America believes South Africa has an important role on the African continent and that we can play a very significant role in the implementation of the new strategy that the United States has set out.
Lesingxoxo sizogxila kakhulu kwezomnotho nokukhona kukho ukufaka kwemali ekulweni nokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Impi yase-Ukraine, ukugqoza kokudla nezempilo eAfrika kulindele ukuthi kube sesithebeni kulezingxoxo.